Holy shit. That thing is freaking loud. Oh man, that scared the freaking Jesus out of me. Whew. Yeah. Unfortunately, the video cut out. Now, as I was saying, it needs either be fixed or replaced. And I already turned it on, and I am not gonna turn it on again. This thing's part of shit. There's a model number on this thing. Oh wait, the model number's on the side. I'm gonna get a shot at that real quick. Things, I mean, it may be small, but it sure is loud. I think that's an extra, that's an extra, oh, it's an extra hose attachment. Cool. Cool. Alright then. I guess that is all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this loud vacuum cleaner video. Or central vacuum cleaner with those pipes that go here, there, everywhere. It goes all the way. Oh my god, it goes forever. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. And yes, happy Halloween. This absolutely was the Halloween scare of my freaking life. It seems like a very nice vacuum cleaner. All it needs is, I mean, maybe the bearings are dry, the motor might be bad, or else maybe it needs replaced. I don't know. You get my point, guys. Thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. And I keep repeating myself. Sorry.